Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executives Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Spring Fling.
Spring Fling.
Yes, spring has definitely sprung in Saskatchewan, and so we're going to put a drink together to celebrate spring moving into summer. We're going to start with tequila.
Tequila.
Tequila, 3 ounces.
Tequila.
Tequila.
3 ounces.
3 ounces of tequila in there. That's 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then we're going to put in an ounce, half an ounce of triple sec. Half an ounce. This is enough for 2 people, by the way. That's perfect. Then we're going to put in 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 3 ounces of.
So in our shaker I have some ice in here as well.
Good. And then 3 ounces of orange juice.
Orange juice.
Yes.
Citrusy.
Very citrusy. You could put grapefruit too as well. I like that tip.
I like that tip.
I'm always helpful like that. Okay, and we're going to shake it up.
I would shake my
Well, I know. Okay. And we've got some ice in our glasses here. We're going to strain it out. Ooh, like an orange juice. Sort of
frothy.
frothy. Frothy and delicious, I bet. And nothing says spring quite like a lime.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you're just going to toss it on top.
Floater in there.
Just a floater.
Floater, the Spring Fling.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Let's give this a shot.
Yeah, tastes like spring.
Very fresh. Very refreshing.
Pretty good.
It's not as pineapple forward as I thought it would be, which I kind of like.
Actually, a little bit of lime juice would have been
Maybe. Yeah.
good, but I
A
like
little tart to it.
Try it out.
Spring Fling, everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.